data sheets. I gave you guys data sheets last time. Now that we know what's, if you said anybody needs them, I got some extra copies. You got, here you go. So for Natalie, here you go. There you go. Anybody else need data sheet? Got some extras. So, oh, sorry, Jen, here you go. We now have a measure of variation. We like it. Well, we're content with it anyway. Let's make sure. What if I can lower that thing down? I can. Let's do this. We have an understanding of what the measure is giving us. I like that an awful lot. Down. That's good. Right there. Okay. Here's what I want us to do now. We're going to grab some data and analyze it from the ground up. Now that we have technology and an understanding of variation and an understanding of center, I want to put it all together. So here, first data set you've got on your data list, sample of weight loss of 35 subjects. I want you guys to look at that. It's a block of data off there to the right from -14, -38, -11. What you're looking at, and I've forgotten if this is the control group or the experimental group. I cannot remember for the life of me which one it is. But it's okay, I gave you the title. If you're interested, you can go track it down yourself. But the important thing is, it was a weight loss study with a meal replacement group versus traditional food group. So you had two groups of women, I believe, right? Yes, and women. One of which ate normal traditional food groups, one of which ate these meal replacement groups. And we tracked their weight loss over a given period, and I forget how long the period was. It's not really relevant. Here's what I want to know. Regardless of whether it was a traditional group or a meal replacement group, I want to know what the average weight loss was for these 35 women. And I also want to know the variability around that. So I don't just want to have a number that is average equals blah. I want to have average equals blah with a blah average blah from average. You see what I'm getting at? So in other words, I want two values here. I want two values. X bar, which is the average, but I also want the standard deviation around that average, because that's what we're really after here, friends. The measure of center that we're going to be talking about the most in this class is the average. Usually the average. And the average is directly tied to that standard deviation, because he's created from the average. So, our job now, enter all that data into one of your lists, run one bar stats, and then we discuss. Go ahead, Patrick, ask me that question. Oh, you're not asking. You just, okay, I'm going to turn this off now.